Hello, this is HYCHIKA 200 watt electric detail sander. Let's check the common problems. Firstly, sander paper is not sticky. To prolong use, the sanding paper fails and needs to be replaced. Secondly, install the dust collector in the wrong direction. Pay attention when the device is lying flat. The arrow upward is the correct installation. Thirdly, if the sander cannot be turned on, please directly contact the HYCHIKA support team to help solve it. Finally, this sander can't be used for sanding walls or light. Thank you.